morning, everybody. It is 10:21. Slept pretty good last night. The storm actually only lasted for about maybe an hour tops. By the time I went to sleep, the storm was done with. But it was good. Everything was fine. Some people had some bad areas, but otherwise nothing really bad happened here. But yeah, it's gonna be another hot day. Not as hot as yesterday, but I'm kind of sad because it's like I really want to go Menards and get like 2 things that I need to work on a project, and Graham's like, you don't need to go anywhere, and I'm like, I understand I don't need to go anywhere, but I just need some free time. Like, that's all I want is free time. Oh, I'm out of breath. I just ran everywhere. But I found a deal. One of you guys posted a deal on your Facebook, you know, comment, and I saw it. And I checked the app. Little Caesars, if you guys are Little Caesars fans right now and you have the app, I'm probably going to post a deal by Deals by DesignerJen for this. But if you have the app, you guys can actually get their pizza for $3.99, a limit of 3 of them till June 6th. So definitely go ahead and do that if you guys, you know, are hurting for money, or if you just want pizza. I like Little Caesars pizza. For a while there I wasn't a big fan of it, and then, you know, I like it when they had the $5, but now in my area it's no longer $5, it's $6, which is still a pretty decent deal for a pizza. And I like how sometimes you can walk right in and order one. So I asked Graham, I says, can I, you know, get some pizzas and I'll deliver them to work? You know, I'm gonna get one for us kids and then breadsticks, and then I says I'll just get 2 more pizzas and deliver them to his work so he can feed him and his office people. So he's like, yeah, go ahead. I just realized the front door is open. Oh, the screenshot. So that is what I'm gonna do today. And I need to get a bug net, and there's a Dollar Tree right next to the bug net. So I'm just gonna run in and get the bug net because I know they're right in the front of the store, because I don't like this grass in this pool, you guys. It's so bad. Right now, Benjamin and Graham are having a water gun fight. So let me show you guys what they're doing. Hey, what are you guys doing? Benjamin, get Daddy.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, right.
Ben, you gotta aim a little bit better.
Sneak attack.
Love my clearance toys. Graham's holding one of the 90% off toys, and Ben's playing with my $4 Michaels box. Plus, we got that Spider-Man bucket that I also got. I think I got that 90% off also. So, loving the clearance toys. Hello, you guys. It is currently 12:08. Charlotte just woke up from her nap and we want some pizza. So we are going to Little Caesars. I just ordered it. Funny thing is, one store, there's 2 of them near me. One only lets you get pepperoni or cheese. The other one lets you get pepperoni, sausage, or cheese. And I really wanted sausage, but I wanted to go to this one that only has the other one because I like that location better. It's more out of the city. But yeah, so we're gonna go get some pizza.
I keep building stuff and throwing it in the pool.
Yeah, he is just having fun in the pool. So that's where we're heading right now. We're gonna go get some pizza and we'll catch you guys back.
And we're gonna get a net.
And okay, guys, yep. So it is, I think it's like 106 or something like that. Like, I went into Dollar Tree, in and out, grabbed the nets, got the food. It's $1.19, I guess. So we are enjoying my $3.99 pizza. This sounds so good right now, you guys. But I like their crust. I actually like, there's some people's crust I'm not a big fan of, but I like their crust. So I'm gonna enjoy my pizza, and then I got some butter garlic dip. Charlotte's got some pizza too. You having fun with your pizza? Yeah. Yeah. So she'll eat a whole slice. That's how crazy it is. But we're watching Casper right now. My package that was got lost in the mail, she's redelivering me a new thing, so I hopefully will get that by this weekend, but it's hard to say. I'm like, what am I doing? Grabbing my water. So Ben wants to go swimming really badly, so we're gonna do that in a little bit, and then I'm gonna work on the cups. My goal is to get all 5 cups done by tomorrow afternoon. So I'm gonna work on that because I got 5 of them. But first, I gotta go wipe his butt. So can't even sit down. I gotta go wipe his butt. So hey, we'll see you guys in a bit. You wanna go swimming? Uh-oh. Is you okay? Come here, baby. She is obsessed with this sunscreen bottle. Like, I have the lock on, but she just carries it all around the house. Look at you. I'm like, whoa. So it is currently 5:02, you guys. I was gonna take the pool. I was gonna record the kids in the pool, but our neighbor girl was in the pool with us, and I didn't feel comfortable, you know, filming her. So we sat in the pool for like an hour. We just started talking and everything. It was so much fun. And then Charlotte got a little tired, so I put her down for a nap. And then I finally just did my Walgreens preview. Just posted that. I'm doing the coupon preview right now. And I have a lot of cups to make, you guys. Like, I need to just like focus on it. Graham's parents are coming tomorrow afternoon and taking the kids for a walk. And I should be like working on the basement that time. But I'm going to try to get everything drawn out tonight and work on it. But yeah, I have like 7 cups to figure out, so it's like, oh my goodness, I gotta get this done. But that's what I'm working on right now. Ben like really wants me to play outside, and I know I should, but I gotta get these cups done. At least design on the program, because printing them off is the easiest part. It's designing that takes the longest to do. So that is what I'm currently working on right now. So I'm hoping to have a better day. Graham texted me and told me not to go to a different area, and I'm like, well, why can't I go to a different area? And he's like, just don't. And so I'm like messaging him. Sorry, I'm drawing at the same time. I'm like messaging him like, what's going on. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on where he didn't want me to be, so we got that going on. It's just, yeah. Oh, and a lot of you guys thought, you know, that thing, that person that made the account, I was laughing at it. I'm not mad at it all. I just gotta learn to deal with it because these people are idiots. But most likely, it could have been a robot, like a fake robot that made an account. It could be a stupid kid that I see kids comment all the time, so it's like, you know, it could have been just somebody stupid, or it could have just been a person who has 0 life, but I'm not going to give them the day or any attention because they're an idiot. But I was just laughing so much after I made a video showing you guys that person. It's like Jen's biggest hater. It's like, really? Okay. Thanks for watching anyways, you know, even though you're my hater, you're still watching. You're still watching the ad that plays in the beginning of the video, so you're still paying me, so thank you. Thank you. You know what's funny? Is I feel like I look like crap for the longest time, and right now I actually feel like I'm okay. Like, my hair is just in knots like crazy. When we went in the pool, I put it like in a ponytail, but then I took it out, and it's just like, I feel nice. So that's what's going on with me today. Charlotte, I got her a Baby Shark t-shirt when I went to Kohl's last week because I wanted to get her one. And it's a 2T, but it's good for her just to have as a nightgown. And she started singing the Baby Shark song. I'm like, do you want me to put the Baby Shark on? And she's like, can you sing Baby Shark? Yes! Good job. And she's eating breadsticks while walking around. Okay, diaper butt. So I will catch you guys back in a bit. I'm going to work on this. And well, yes. Hey, you guys. It is currently 8:32. I started working on everybody's cups. I got everybody's okay by the design. So what I'm going to do is get ready to start cutting everything. Well, the kids are not here because Charlotte keeps going towards my Cricut machine as it's cutting. So I'm going to work on that tonight, and then I'll probably place that stuff all tomorrow. But I'm going to measure everything. I got to measure everything, clean everything up. So there is that, and I'm hoping to maybe mail them out tomorrow. I need to finish my friend's sign. I just kind of slacked at it lately, but it's not going to be so hot, so it won't be so humid, so it'll dry a little bit easier. So I'm excited to do that. Yeah, I'm excited to see, I'm excited. I'm here, I don't even know what to say anymore. But there's more protesting going on downtown today, so hopefully the violence has stopped. what happens is I think this street's like 6 or 7 blocks, but every store got busted into. They have plywood on every single store window. Some stores can still work, some stores cannot. My mom's calling me. So my mom called me, and then the kids were both crying. Ben got a bug bite and he didn't like it, and then Charlotte just wanted my attention because Ben was getting my attention. So yeah, but what I was saying is, for what I remember, is they did board up all the windows, and then people like started painting down there, like, you know, nice good paintings. Well, then overnight last night people were graffitiing them, and so I just don't understand why. Just why? Like, people are just trying to make peace, and there's people out there that are just crazy. I don't know. But like I said, now it's 9:22. I am just gonna finish this video. I'm gonna do some more doing my designs on the Cricut machine, and then post this video and go to bed. Graham's gonna be late from work. I don't know if he'll be home between now and 10 o'clock. I have no idea. But that's just how my day is going. But it's just, I didn't get anything done in the basement, which was totally fine, because like I said, I'll get totally burnt out if I constantly keep doing it. But Graham's parents are going to come over tomorrow afternoon and take both kids out for a nice walk. So that will be good, because then when they are actually for the walk, then I'm going to probably get a lot of stuff in the basement done. I'm just going to play my music super loud, because that's what really relaxes me, when I can play my music really loud and just work on the basement. So I will see you guys all bright and early. Remember, June is positive month. So see you guys all later. Bye-bye.